Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to display local notification for a native macOS app with Swift, and we will be making use of like this UN user notification, which is a new thing from macOS, I think Monterey. So first thing is I have created my macOS app like using Xcode with Swift, and I'm using Storyboard, but if you want you can use Swift UI as well. I won't be using Storyboard for creating any user controls. I will be creating them programmatically. And also I have updated the minimum deployment target. So if you see over here, so inside general I've updated the minimum deployment target. If it is 14, but you can change it to 12 as well. I think from 12 this UN notification center would be supported. For previous version it is I think NS notification center, something like that. So if you want to support older version you will have to use that, but I don't care about older versions. Like I think from macOS 12 is fine for me, and at the time of this recording macOS 14 is the latest one, and I think by the time you watch the video macOS 15 might already be out. So yeah, let's get started. So firstly what I have, I'll show you the output. So here I have two buttons, one for requesting the permission and one for displaying the notification. So first I'll request the permission, and here you can see you get something like this. So I will click on options, I'll click on allow. So I have the permission for displaying notification. Now if I click on display notification, here you can see the notification has been displayed. Now there is I have given a delay of 3 seconds, so you have to keep at least a delay of 1 second. Don't fire notifications continuously, otherwise macOS might block your notifications as well. So now there are two ways of displaying notification. Like our app was in foreground when I clicked on display notification, right? So that's how it displayed the notification. So as you can see the app was in foreground. Okay, I'll quickly remove this, and if I click on display notification I'll move my app to the background and still it displays the notification. So there are two things for this. So first what you will have to do is you will have to go to app delegate, and here you will have to import user notification, and you will also have to extend user notification center delegate. Now this part, the thing which we will be doing inside app delegate would be helping us to display notification even when our app is in foreground state. So then you will have to override this particular method. Ignore this for now. This is for button click, which I will show you later, but here you will have to override this particular method. And here on completion handler we just have to pass list and sound. So this will handle displaying notification when our app is in the foreground. Now you will have to come to your view controller. Here I have imported user notification, and I have created two button, NS button, and here I have created our user notification center as well. Then inside setup buttons we are just initializing our button, adding a click listener, adding it to our view, then doing some NS layout constraints for them. So once request permission has been called, we just take our notification center, and okay, we don't need to define it again. Sorry about that, because I already have a notification center over here, right? So I can directly use this over here, request authorization, and here inside options we pass alert, sound and batch, and if the permission is granted we just say permission granted, otherwise permission is denied, and in some other case we just display out the error. And here to display the notification, so firstly you will have to use notification center dot get notification settings. Firstly we are checking whether the authorization status has been whether the notification has been authorized or not. If not, then we just return back. If yes, then we create a UN mutable notification content, and here you can display any title which you want. Here you can display a subtitle, change the values to whatever you feel like, and this is for the body. And for sound I have kept it as default. Now ignore this image as well as this action part. Then we create a request, UN notification request, and inside identifier I have just passed my bundle identifier, and then we pass our content. And inside trigger, as you can see, I have given a time interval of 3 seconds. If you want you can keep it as 1 as well, but don't make it 0. That's what I feel. And once we have a request, we add it to our notification center, and then we just print whether the notification was displayed successfully or not. So that's how it is. Now the second thing which I want to show you, how to display an image of your app or some other thing inside the notification. So for that, firstly I have dragged and dropped this particular image inside my app. Don't drag it inside the assets folder, drag it inside your project, and make sure this target membership is checked. Once that is done, I'll just uncomment this out. So here we are getting our file path. So the image name is first, and it is of type JPG. Then we create a file URL out of it, and here again I am passing our bundle identifier, but you can pass whatever you feel like. Then we pass our file URL and options is none. Then we just pass our attachment to this attachments array, and that's it. So if I run this application again, as you can see, if I click on display notification, here you can see the image has been displayed. So, and the next thing which I want to show you is how to add actions or buttons to your notification as well. So for that, you can just uncomment this part as well as uncomment this part. So here I am giving a category identifier called coins. You can give it whatever you feel like, and this category identifier has 3 buttons: buy, sell as well as hold. And these identifiers are important, as well as this identifier is important because we will be using this inside app delegate. Then again I have used the same identifier inside this as well, your notification category center. So this and these are same, just to avoid confusion, and the actions are buy, sell and hold, and intent identifiers and options are empty for now. Then once we have this category, we have to add this category inside notification center dot set notification category, pass our category. And I have also created one more Swift file called action handler. So I want to do, if I want to do something once a particular button is pressed, that's what I'm doing. So this is a class. Here I have created a singleton, and here I have created 3 buttons. Once buy is clicked, I'm just printing it to the console. Same for sell as well as hold. Then you will have to go to app delegate, and here we are also overriding this particular method called did receive. And here as you can see, I am checking for the identifier. If it is coins, then I am checking for action identifier. If it is buy, then call the buy method of our action handler. If it is sell, call the sell method. If it is hold, call the hold method. And now if I run this, if I click on display notification, I see my notification, and if I click on buy, here you can see buy was clicked. And as you can see, if I click on sell, sell was clicked. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.